You hit me.
Good thing that's a huge
Let's be respectful, brother. Thanks, man. Appreciate that.
We got a 10-17 police flag. Suspect left in a white truck.